I want to show you conditional logic on contact form 7. I use the plugin from the bundle. I have linked below because it's the easiest one. Here you see I have a group, phone number. So if they check, the checkbox value is callback, then please do the group. You can do it again. Here, group logic. Just group it like phone, and then place something here, which is then shown when this group is active. Okay, but that's not all. Go to conditional logic and add a new logic. So we do the show this group, and only show add condition when this callback is Rückruf. So I copy this. This callback is the value, and then it will check it. So the results are here. Please call me back. And I tick here, and it's adding the email address. It's adding the phone number field. One more thing is, don't make it mandatory. Don't make it required, because if they not tick it, it still keeps required. So yeah, thank you. See you in the next video. We have some good videos. Get the plugin from the bundle below and enjoy this bundle. I use it very often. It's very, very good.